Get the latest Zacks research, analysis, and rankings on exchange-traded funds in Exploring ETFs. Let's take a look at what's going on with aerospace and defense ETFs with our ETF research director, Nina Mishra, who joins me now from Zacks.com. So, according to what I'm understanding, in this particular sector, there's a surge going on among the aerospace and defense ETFs.
Yes. Even before Syria brought them back in focus, this sector has been doing very well for quite some time. Some of the biggest players like Boeing, United Technologies, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, they reported excellent second quarter results, as a result of which the earnings revisions has been on the uptrend. And as a sector, as an industry, it's at number 10 out of 64 Zacks M Industries list.
I see.
That shows positive earnings growth going forward too. And one of the reasons has been that the impact of sequester has not been as bad as earlier feared.
Interesting.
And international orders have been rising.
Yeah. So this latest this latest surge brings a positive outlook. The outlook is positive here going forward?
Yes. I mean, outlook looks more positive, unfortunately, because of all these geopolitical risks. It seems that some sort of action will take place in Syria, maybe a limited one or whatever. And besides Syria, there is social unrest in Egypt and Libya too. So there is a lot of geopolitical risk escalation in the Middle East region. And whenever geopolitical risk rises, countries tend to beef up their defense. They spend more on defense. So that is good for these defense companies. On the commercial side, as far as aerospace orders are concerned, because the global economy has been recovering, global airline traffic has been going up. So that is positive for the commercial side of business too. They are seeing increasing orders. And so that is why the outlook remains positive. And as a result of positive outlook, investors have been pouring money into these stocks and ETFs, and they have been handily outperforming the broader market. This chart shows the performance over the past 1 year of aerospace and defense ETFs versus S&P 500, which represents the broader market. These ETFs returned almost 40% versus 19% for S&P 500.
Interesting. So as always, you have a couple of examples of this type of ETF, right?
Yes. My first pick is Spider S&P Aerospace and Defense ETF. The ticker is XAR. This is actually the newest product in the space, but it is also the cheapest one. It charges us 35 basis points in expenses, holds 35 securities, and it follows a modified equal weighted index. So it does not focus on one particular company. So that is why company specific risk is largely eliminated. Top rankings and top weightings are Aligned Tech System, Lockheed Martin, and Northrop Grumman. It's a Zacks #1 strong buy ETF. It's up about 31% year to date.
Okay, and the other?
The other one is iShares ETF. The ticker is ITA. This also holds 35 securities in its basket. Top holdings are United Technologies, Boeing, and Lockheed Martin. This is also a Zacks ranked #1 strong buy ETF. This is up about 29% year to date, slightly more expensive than the earlier one. It charges 46 basis points in expenses.
Okay, do you own either one?
No, I don't.
All right. Well, as always, also, you can go to our website, Zacks.com, for even more interesting articles and information on the ETF space. All you need to do when you get to our homepage is click on the Funds button across the top tab navigation bar there of the website, and it'll prompt you to go right to the ETF section of our site. With Nina, I'm Terry Ruffalo.